as always, got to get the cold of my feet. Let's just speed it up. Alright, I've been trying to find these watermelon seeds everywhere. I finally found them. So you get 4 for $1. Okay, these seem to be like off-brand of like Sprite, Coke, and Fanta or Sunkist. I wonder how good these are. If you know, comment, let me know. I'm especially intrigued by the Coca-Cola. Oh no. Should I try these? You get 4 to $1. I'm gonna wait for your recommendation. Let me know if they're good. Wait, how cute is this Pac-Man? I don't like energy drinks. Something about them just kind of scares me, I think. But I do like the packaging. If it wasn't an energy drink, I most likely would get this. These are cool. We got, it looks like blue raspberry and watermelon lemonade. Wow. Wait, is this $1? Are these $1? It's like the Rubik's Cube, but it's a star. Okay, we're gonna get this and see if it rings up $1. Alright, as usual, I just usually have to beeline it to this aisle first. Usually I don't do that. Usually I go like around and I like go and make a line through, but I just always have to come here now. I already got all of these. It's like a little bridal section. So random to see like Christmas stuff, but those are cute. I've never seen those before. These massagers look new. Got these 3 colors. Let's go with green. So let's get this one. Still can't believe these are on the shelf. Like, that's amazing. Alright, I also found that Dermacell put out this new product, this eczema relief body lotion. Chamomile flower, and I love this. Is developed with dermatologists. Now what's interesting about that is that they didn't use the term dermatologist approved though, so that seems a little sneaky to me personally. But I'm gonna get this one. I don't have eczema, so I'm not gonna get this one. But wait, seen Dollar Tree do metal drawer pulls in my life and got black. I wonder if they have silver. I'm not seeing it, but that is crazy, you guys. That's nuts. I've never seen anything like that before. I truly have not. Apple cinnamon. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get that. That's kind of reminding me of fall. I'm gonna get that one. Oh, what is this one? Morning Fresh. Okay. I've been really getting more into like my car air fresheners. If you watch my vlog, I just bought these super adorable air fresheners from Amazon. They have like clouds. It's adorable. I'm just gonna have to link it so that you can see what it looks like. And it comes with like the oil. Anyways, what is this? Is that for fall? It's like a little napkin holder. Oh my god, where was this during fall? Why is it out now? Why do I feel like I need to get that right now? I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. I'm really gonna have to. Oh, also, I got these little clips. Brushes. Look at these. Love. So those are going in the basket. They're also getting so good at like the bathroom stuff. Like, look at these shower caddies. I already got some of these because I needed them. I just haven't, you guys haven't seen me haul. Oh, what about these? I'm gonna try these too. I'm gonna try both of them and see which one I like, because I changed my shower like arrangement. So I'm gonna try out both of these soap savers and see which one I like better. What's this? Charmin. Wow. Single rolls of toilet paper. That's interesting. Okay, that's leaving me shook a little bit. Wait, what's this? Why are these so cute and summery? Plumeria sunrise, yuzu and aloe. What's this pink one? Plum sangria. Okay, why is that like totally precious? Those are super cute, actually. Should I get some for Micah? Micah loves burning candles. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like she might burn the house down, but who knows? You know what I mean? I got some new rugs for my hallway where it leads to Micah's room. So let's just get, I actually need 4 of these, but let's just get these 3. They have super cute socks. I mean, when I see this, I think of Scotty Scheffler. If you know, you know. Look at the footballs, the yoo-hoos, the crabs. It says Old Bay. I wish it didn't say that because this would just give Maine so much and it would be cute. Look at that. Kool-Aid. Wait. What? Star Wars. Oh, we're getting these. We're getting those. I just found myself passing the sticker section, but I'm not surprised because I just feel like we need some new releases, Dollar Tree. Like, we really do. Maybe they're out there. Like, what's this one? What is this one? That one's kind of cute. I don't have that one, but maybe another time. Sometimes things interest me, sometimes they don't. I still really love the frickin' robots. I want to do like a robot-themed junk journal release on my Etsy shop. Right now I have a game board release, so if you want my game board kits available on my Etsy shop. Look how cute this is. Okay, let's get this one. This one looks really cute. Let's see if there's any other ones. I don't really like succulents, so I'm not down with that pack. I love these little stars. Those were hearts, not stars. Look how cute. This little toy is new. Love that. Got the fire truck. Cute. Got the police car. Got some new interesting books. Make them cry. Alrighty then. Wait, what is this? Slaughter of the Mountain Man? Okay. Solar Warden. I saw that last time. How to Be Famous. Hilariously, wonderfully original. Said by People Magazine. The store is unfortunately just a little sad today. It really is. What's this? It's kind of cute. I love these little boxes as like for presents. Like, look how cute that is, you know? It's different than a gift bag. I really like that. Ooh, the flower. The butterfly. What is wrong with me today? Look at this one. So cute. You need to see this in person because it's just when they do glitter, it just doesn't look the same on camera. It's just so much prettier in person. That's cute. I love a plaid card. Aww. None of the cards have really like done it for me lately. This is cool. Little color changing LED shower head. Except it's like the whole shower head. Obviously, like, what am I even saying? I don't even freaking know anymore. My stomach hurts. Oh, look how cute this breakfast time is. Oh, that's cute. got this. I got this one. This is the one I got. Oh, no, it's not. Wow, that one's different. Huh. That one's really cute. I love that it's plain, doesn't say anything. Little watermelon bags. This store's kind of a dud. This is where I got my lemon bag. If you didn't watch my lemon themed haul, I'll link it down below. But I guess they don't have the lemons here. They just have this print. And then look, these little trees are $3, but you get 3 to a pack. So it actually ends up being a better deal because on the other side you get 1 for $1.25. So if you were to pick up 3, it'd be $3.75 rather than $3. So this ends up being a way better deal. Lots of car stuff. Y'all, my stomach is not doing it right today. Wait, what is this? Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. See, I don't like those layouts. I mean, I do, but I don't know. Should I get this? Seriously, so freaking shook. There's planners here. I'm gonna get this one, but the only reason why is because these are all damaged on the side. And I think it's because they had these rings, like, you know, during shipping or something, but they're all damaged. Like every single one of them. So I'm gonna get this one. It's really pretty. It's got like a floral-y thing going on. Oh my god, yeah, we're gonna get that one. This is such a cute sticker set. The little, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Yeah, we're gonna get that. There's usually 4. Yep. Here's the other one. This is the 4th one. Yeah, we're gonna get those. Wait, there's a 5th one. Hang on. Here's the 5th one. Okay, why is this absolutely perfection? The little cake. I really like this one too. Yeah, we're gonna get this one. See what else they have. Look at that. See? And what's funny is that these are Jot stickers. They're not Crafter Square. So that's probably why they have them separated. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. I might have this one already, but just in case I don't, I'm gonna get this one. Alright, so I'm gonna get these right here, and they're gonna go in my cart. And I think, wait, what are these? How about all these? I think I've hauled them. That's gonna be it for today. I truly wish. Yeah, unfortunately, I kind of expected to hit more of a jackpot, but I didn't. My stomach hurts now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. I'm smiling like this because I'm trying to get through the stomach pain. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.